Hello everybody! In this video I will show you how to make a Soma cube, or how I like to call, Tetris cube 3D. This origami is composed of 162 sonobe units, of which we will have two types, normal and mirror. In the first 4 pieces, we will use 24 units in each, 12 normal, 12 mirror. The next 2 pieces will also use 24, but 18 normal and 6 mirror. And the last uses only 18, 12 normal, 6 mirror. To make each of the units, I'll use a square of paper of 10 by 10 centimeters, 4 by 4 inches. Let's start with the normal one. First of all, let's fold in half, bringing the right side to the left. Then undo. And fold both sides to the middle. With this done, undo again. And now we have to fold 2 corners like in this image. Just bring both to the next crease. First this one, and then this other. Bring both sides to the middle again, and fold the other corners over the previous folds. Using this as a reference, place the last folds under the middle layers, just like this. Repeat on the other side. Turn it over and fold both corners, making a square on the middle. First normal unit is ready. Let's do the mirror unit now. As we did before, first fold in half vertically, now both sides to the middle, now a little attention. We need to fold the opposite corners, those 2. So first this one on the bottom side, and then the other on the top. Bring both sides to the middle again, then the other corners over it, and then fit on the middle. Turn it over and fold the corners. The mirror piece is ready too. Let's make another 11 of each, And now make the first piece. First of all, we'll need to turn these pieces into cubes. So starting with the normal one. These tips will fit in the pockets of the square part. Just like this. The next piece as well. Now connecting two parts, two squares. Let's do the same for the next. One more time, but now connecting three. And the last one, connecting four. Okay, the first one is ready. Let's do another one with the normal pieces, the normal units. And now with the mirror units. Here is exactly the same logic, but we need to fit the opposite way. Now we're starting on the left side. Just connect two. Then three here, and repeat the same until the end. Right, with these 4 cubes, we'll make the piece L. We'll always have to interleave normal and mirror. So let's get one of each. Undo 2 tips of one of them. And now fit on the other in that way. This is the logic to make all the pieces. Let's put another one here. And now the last one underneath, giving the shape of a L. The first piece is ready. To the next 3, we will also use 2 cubes of each direction. Again, just fit 2 like this. Now the next one on the side. And the other below. Part Z is ready. Now let's make the part B. Again, fit 2. Place the other one on the side. Now the last one in front. Just like this. Let's make now the part A. Is almost the same. First put 2 cubes together. The next one now on the top side. And the last one in front of the third again. Right, the first 4 pieces are ready. The next 2 will have 3 normal cubes and 1 reversed. Put 2 together, normal and reversed or mirror. Now the next normal cube on the side. And the last one can be above or below. The T part is ready too. For the next, 1 normal and 1 mirror. The same logic as before. the next one above or below, and the last one on the middle. Part P is ready. The last one is the easiest. Just put two cubes together and last one on the side. Having all the pieces ready, we can finally solve this puzzle. Let's go! And that's it. If you like, leave a like, and also check out my other channel here on this card for creative ideas of all kinds. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.